Hey, hey, hey. We're in Walnut Creek, California. We're doing a small little entryway today. As you can see, it's destroyed. See all this white stuff here. This is all the sealer failing, turning white. Water and oil don't mix. So what's happening is over time, cleaning it, products that don't work, starting to affect it, turn it white. Obviously you can see it's really dirty as well. She's tried everything. She scrubbed it, cleaned it. She told me she went to Home Depot, bought strippers. I mean, she could not. She said she really put an effort to get it, and then she found us and just realized we were the ones for her. So here we are. And as you can see, I've already just did 6 tiles to kind of show her a good visual. You can see my good detail all the way up to the carpets here. We're just, making it look really nice here. And so purpose of this particular video is the topical coatings. You got to be really tricky with these things. What happens is, in my opinion, these tiles don't really need it. I would have left them more natural. It would be easier to clean, easier to maintain. When we're done, we're going to clean it, just put a penetrating sealer, not re-shine it. This is one of her maintenance properties, and I feel like it'll be easier for the renter to take care of, and they'll be less likely to mess it up. So we're going to switch her over to a more of a sealer that's more customer friendly, I guess you could say, a little bit less maintenance, where they could actually come in and scrub it and get it clean instead of just rubbing a mop on it. So purpose of the video, those topical coatings, when you try to clean them, if you go a little too strong with like a cleaner, this is what's going to happen. So you gotta, she should have used more of just a mild detergent, and if that doesn't work, then the natural progression is stripping. All other type, any like them jelly strippers, like Jasco's, those Sure Cleans, those jelly strippers, this is what they do because they don't get it off. So it has to be a true liquid stripper. So that's the purpose of the video, just to kind of keep you informed on that. Don't waste your time, energy, efforts, and money. Once again, I'm working for a great customer. I'm getting good at weeding out you weirdos. So actually, once again, I found another good one. I've been really good at that lately, working for great people. So anyway, though, people, stay informed. Keep yourself just knowledgeable. Know what you're doing. Don't get yourself in over your head, and don't let people talk you into stuff that they don't know what they're talking about either. And that's kind of what happens the most. Most of this stuff is caused by human error. Like, for instance, I think it got this way because the original client was putting mop and glow, or not client, renter was putting on mop and glow or something like that. So do your homework, people. Stay informed. Know your stuff. I'm gonna get back at it. Carol?